Good evening everyone, especially to Ma'am Madera. This is my Pizza Kotsa presentation. So let me introduce myself first. I am Prince Jerome V. Calum, 18 years old, live in Proctres, 40, San Jose, Dinagat Islands. This is my father, Jamie S. Calum. He is 43 years old, and this is my mother, Edna Dukila Putol. She is 46 years old. And this is my older brother, Brian James P. Callum, born in February 2005. And this is my two younger brother, Carl Justin P. Callum, 17 years old, and Allen Joshua, 15 years old. And this is my two younger sister, Marsami Joyce P. Callum, 13 years old, and Dayara Jean P. Callum, 9 years old. And this is my hobbies, playing online games or playing ML. This is my favorite food, shrimp. And this is my favorite sports, basketball and billiards. This is my favorite anime, Slam Dunk, and my favorite characters is Sakuragi. This is my favorite movies, World War Z. And this is one of the beautiful resort in the Nagat Islands, White Castle, located at Mahayahay, San Jose, Dinagat Island. This is my first laboratory and NSA, SNSU Mainit campus. And this is my 10 days work immersion at Sati Farm. And this is the last day of 10 days work immersion. This is my two brother playing basketball at Barangay Doña Helen. This is my classmates and friends at senior high school. This is our last bonding in my batch. And this is one of the memorable bonding in my life. This is the graduation day. This is my father and my mother, classmates and friends. That's all. Thank you.